In this video, I will show you how to have cute icons on Facebook. Firstly, when you launch the application, you need to open up your profile selection by tapping on your profile icon right there. Simply as you get right here, you need to scroll down and go for edit public details, and when you get onto that right selection, you're going to scroll down and get to your right point. As you scroll right down, go for links and go edit, and right from there, guys, as you want to simply get a social link or a cute icons on your site Facebook section, as you can see right here, it is on that Instagram section, and I'm gonna get and show you on another platform. For example, if I choose YouTube right here, a username will be taken by getting all these emojis, or simply as known as, something which is called icons. And as you get done with all that stuff, you're gonna go just save on your right upper side and you're done.